My research is on humour styles and its impact on fit between employees and their supervisors. I've always enjoyed sharing a joke or recounting a funny story, so research into humour felt like a natural fit for me. Pardon the pun. The research problem relates to a lack of understanding of how people fit together, so I decided to investigate humour styles in relation to fit. Now for the fun part. Let's talk about humour styles. Broadly speaking, there are 4 styles. 2 are positive, 2 are negative. On the positive side, we've got affiliative humour. This is this feel-good, uplifting humour, such as, why can you drink a drink, but not food a food? You get that? Maybe not. Then we have self-enhancing humour, also a positive style. This is humour designed to take the edge off stressful situations. Now, according to much research, public speaking is people's number 1 fear. Number 2 is death. Does that even make sense? That means for the average person going to a funeral, you're better off being in the casket than reading the eulogy. Now the negative styles. Aggressive humour. Aggressive humour often involves disparaging a particular person or group, and it also includes racist and sexist humour. Now I could have done a gag about Donald Trump or Joe Biden, but I'm remaining politically neutral. Now, finally, we've got self-defeating humour. This is where you make yourself the gag of the joke or the butt of the joke. So I like videoing myself to see how bad at public speaking I am. Now, my research involved a quantitative study using survey-based research on humour and fit over a number of ways. I'm a brown male, however, I had a diverse range of participants in my research, so I felt there was a good level of objectivity. The findings were really interesting. What I found was it's not so much positive humour leading to better fit or negative humour leading to worse fit. Rather, it's a humour style match or similarity between an employee and supervisor which helps create the fit. So basically, being on the same wavelength when it comes to humour. That was the most important aspect. My research also found that enhanced person-supervisor fit led to good organisational outcomes, and these included reduced turnover intentions and increased organisational citizenship behaviour. And in this post-COVID pandemic world where we have phenomena such as the Great Resignation and quiet quitting, they're really significant. So humour and fit give really beneficial outcomes for organisations. In summary, a better understanding of humour is no laughing matter.